Hello guys, LifeHackster here, and today we will review and check out the Eufy Smart Lock E330. Now, just a little background first and an update of the Eufy Smart Lock that I've been using. And for those who want to skip on this, I'll put this timestamp here to get straight to the features of this Smart Lock E330. Now, I've been using and still using Eufy's. I guess they call it now the Smart Lock S230. It was called Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi then when I first reviewed it last February of 2021. So I've been using it for more than 3 years now. I have no issues with it ever since, and there's some cosmetic changes now on the edges of the keypad area, but the keypad is still functional and working, no problem. I have a couple of battery packs and I swap it out every 3 to 4 months, and the lock will let you know if the battery needs recharging. We use the fingerprint option probably 95% of the time, and the rest typing in on the keypad. And these are on the instances that our fingerprint will not read, especially if your fingers are wet and sweaty. I barely use the app to lock or unlock the lock. I have the auto lock feature set to on, and it will lock after a minute from unlocking, and it does work reliably. Also, the uncovered USB-C port in the bottom to be used for emergency backup power if the battery is dead didn't rust out, which I already thought it will, so that's good. Now, as to Eufy's video smart locks, I've checked out their Smart Lock S330 when it was about to be released, and that was a while ago. And there were software bugs then, and I never revisited it. The difference between these two models is that the S330 comes with a chime, and also this is where the footage is stored using a micro SD card, and also some other camera features like departure and loitering detection. But if you have the Homebase 3, you can connect both of these video smart locks to it, and the Homebase will now act as a chime and also be used for its AI and facial recognition and for video storage. And with that, there is barely any difference between the two. Alright, now for the features of the Eufy Video Smart Lock E330. Also, this was sent to me by Eufy, so thank you Eufy. This is a 3-in-1 smart security device. It combines a smart lock to lock your door, a security camera to record motion events, and also a doorbell, so you can interact to anyone at your front door even if you're not at home. As a smart lock, it has 5 ways to lock or unlock your door. Fingerprint, which is pretty fast, using the keypad, using the Eufy app, using the physical keys, and also using Google or Amazon voice assistants. Smart Lock E330.
Locking. Hang on. The Smart Lock E330 is locked.
It is powered by a rechargeable battery, which other smart locks in the market today still uses disposable AA batteries. As to the doorbell and camera, it records in 2K quality, 2048 by 1536 pixel resolution at 15 frames per second in my testing, and this is recording to the Homebase 3. This is BHMA certified and is IP65 weather resistant. Inside the box, you will get the outdoor keypad unit, metal built, fingerprint sensor on top, PIR sensor and camera lens, mic and light sensor, and we have the keypad. Doorbell button, you can slide this down and you will see the key slot. On the bottom, we have the USB-C port and the speaker. On the back, we have the connections. This is for the video and this one is for the lock. Then we have the inside unit, mostly plastic. And you can slide this up to open up the battery compartment, and you will see the set button here. On the bottom, we also have a speaker. What else is inside the box? We have a metal bracket for the inside unit. We have some paperwork. We have the deadbolt. We have a set of keys. And by the way, the keyway cannot be rekeyed. We have the strike plate and some mounting screws. And we have the battery pack, which is USB-C. And I'll plug this in to top it off while we install this. Remove your existing deadbolt, then install the Eufy deadbolt, making sure the top label is on top, and screw it in with the 2 included screws. Insert the outside unit and slide in the tailpiece on the corresponding slot on the deadbolt, making sure the wires also goes through. Install the metal bracket, pulling the wiring and cable through first. Then screw it into the bolt and the outside unit using the 2 long machine screws. Plug in the brass plug to its corresponding port and the connector to the designated area marked red. Insert the tailpiece to the slot of the inside unit and push it into the metal bracket, and screw it in using the 3 included short machine screws. Test it, making sure the bolt moves freely. Let's set this up. Open up the Eufy app, plus sign, scroll down to Smart Locks, Video Smart Lock. Next, scan the QR code which is on the top of the battery compartment. And I'll connect this to the home base 3. Slide in the battery pack. Press the set button until you hear a beep, and wait until it gets connected. Name your Video Smart Lock and follow the calibration steps. Now, if set up by itself and not with a home base, for the video doorbell part, videos will be stored in its internal storage of 8 gigabytes, and there's no chime included, so you will need a separate Eufy chime or integrate this with the Amazon or Google devices to act as a chime. Let's check these settings in the app. When you open up the app, you will see the snapshot from the camera, and you also see the status of the lock. Press and hold to unlock it, and you will get the notification. Click on the snapshot to go to live view, which loads up pretty quick. In here, you can also lock or unlock the lock. Record the live view, take a snapshot, start two-way talk, which is full duplex, and we have the quick response, and you have one pre-recorded one. But you can also add your own responses if you want. Gear icon for the camera settings, and as you can see, this is connected to my home base 3. Motion detection settings, and you will see that it uses the AI of the home base 3 itself, which includes facial recognition, sensitivity, and you can also set activity zones, up to 2 of them. You can also integrate this with other Eufy cameras and video doorbells. Manage access, and this is where you can add who can access the lock. And you can set it to always have access or on a schedule or just one time. A cool thing about this is that you can add a user without you having to be close to the lock itself. You can add them remotely. Well, setting up their passcode anyways, not their prints. So for users, you can set up to 100 passcodes and 50 prints. We have the power manager for the camera, auto lock to lock it automatically after the time you set and up to after 3 minutes. And you can schedule it too. Wrong try protection, so you can lock down the lock for a specified time if the fingerprints or the passcodes are incorrect. Scramble passcode, you can input random numbers before or after your code to prevent someone from memorizing your code. We also have the camera settings, and I'll show you the video quality of the recording, 2K resolution. Indoor chime, so you can add additional Eufy chimes if you want. Well, let's do some testing. The smart lock portion itself works as advertised. So let's check the video quality and performance of the video doorbell part of it. So this is the video and audio quality of Eufy's Video Smart Lock E330. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door and also to the smart lock. This is the video quality of Eufy's Video Smart Lock E330 at night. And this has 4 infrared LEDs. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the Video Smart Lock. And this is what it looks like. The video quality of Eufy's Video Smart Lock E330 at night, and this with some lighting in my back porch. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the camera. And that's what it looks like. Alright, so we are going to test the notification speed of the Eufy's Video Smart Lock E330, and it is 458, and I'm on my 5G cellular network. Let's check it out. It saw me. Status light is on, and I got a text notification first, and it actually saw me as because it is connected to the home base. You saw me as LifeHackster right there, so facial recognition, and you get a snapshot, and when you click on it, it should open up the recorded footage right there, and you can go to the live view right here. Cool, and it loads up pretty quick. 4:59. All right, so it's still 4:59. It's about 20-30 seconds, and let's see what if there is a notification cool off. I'm back again. Status light is on. I saw that, and I should be getting a notification, text notification first, and then a snapshot. Cool, nice. All right, now this time about doorbell push to notification speed. That quick. like that. And it does load up pretty quick. And in here, turn it off. You can unlock the door if you want to. I have to hold it, sorry. There you go. So you have to hold it and not just push. And you can start two-way audio. Mic test. And you can do quick response.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Cool. Very responsive. Nice. Okay, so let's check out the porch pirate testing here. I'm just gonna go straight towards the doorbell, and there's a package right there, and see how soon the camera records, and then leave. I got the notification and identified me too.
Someone is at the T85.
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, can I help you?
Hi, is LifeHackster here?
Sorry, he's not here right now. You wanna leave a message?
Sorry, he's not here right now. You wanna leave a message?
No, that's fine, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Hi, is LifeHackster here? No, that's fine, thank you.
So what do you think? This 3-in-1 video smart lock doorbell performed well. The smart lock itself is basically the same as my old Eufy lock. Pretty responsive and fast in fingerprint reading. The video doorbell part also performed good. Video quality is like any 2K Eufy camera. The recording of the two-way talk though is only one-sided, just the doorbell side, which is the same as other Eufy doorbells. It is a little bit late in my porch pirate testing, but its snapshot got me and also identified me. If you're planning to integrate this with the Homebase 3, I think this Video Smart Lock E330 is the better choice than their flagship S330. Just for the savings. This is a good setup, especially if you don't have doorbell wiring and also wanting to have a smart lock. And as long as you have a compatible door that you can install this to, this is going to be a cleaner looking setup. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.